Small rotary tools have become incredibly useful for everything from engraving and polishing to detailed crafting and light repair work. The challenge is finding one that balances power, control, and convenience. In this ranking, we compare 5 popular mini grinders and electric engraving pens to see which one truly delivers the best overall experience. Starting off the list is the Greenworks mini grinder, a surprisingly capable cordless rotary tool that offers a lot more versatility than its compact size suggests. What immediately stands out is the complete package. With 52 accessories included, it gives users everything needed to begin engraving, polishing, sanding, drilling, and carving right out of the box. In actual use, the 6-speed adjustment system makes a noticeable difference. Lower speeds provide better control for delicate engraving, while the maximum 30,000 revolutions per minute setting delivers enough power for more demanding grinding and polishing jobs. The speed display and battery indicator are practical additions that help eliminate guesswork during longer projects. One feature I genuinely appreciate is the automatic shaft lock design. Changing accessories feels quicker and safer because there is no separate lock button to press. The built-in task lighting also proves useful when working on detailed projects, especially in areas where shadows can make precision difficult. Comfort is another strong point. At only 225 grams, the tool feels balanced in the hand and remains easy to control during extended sessions. The rubberized grip helps reduce hand fatigue and improves confidence when working on intricate details. The biggest limitation is battery life. Around 40 minutes of continuous operation is adequate for hobby work, but larger projects may require a recharge break. For casual creators, hobbyists, and beginners wanting a feature-rich cordless rotary tool at a reasonable price, the Greenworks mini grinder is an easy recommendation. Number 4. Xiaomi grinding pen. The Xiaomi electric grinding pen takes a very different approach from traditional rotary tools. Instead of focusing on maximum power, it prioritizes precision, comfort, and ease of use. The slim pen-style body immediately gives it a unique feel, almost like holding a marker rather than a power tool. That design makes a real difference during detailed work. Whether engraving wood, polishing jewelry, or drilling tiny holes in craft materials, the lightweight body offers excellent control. The brushless motor is another major advantage. It runs smoothly, generates less wear over time, and provides consistent performance up to 22,000 revolutions per minute. One of the most user-friendly aspects is the simple control layout. A single button handles power, while a rotary dial adjusts speed. Even someone completely new to engraving tools can feel comfortable using it within minutes. Accessory changes are also refreshingly straightforward and do not require extra tools. Battery performance is respectable, delivering roughly 1 hour of runtime. What makes the Xiaomi especially practical is its dual power capability. When the battery runs low, it can continue operating while plugged in, making longer creative sessions much easier to manage. The included storage case deserves recognition as well. The automatic pop-up organization system keeps accessories neat and accessible instead of buried in a cluttered compartment. Its lower top speed means it is not the best choice for heavy grinding or aggressive material removal. However, for precision engraving, polishing, and artistic work, this tool feels exceptionally refined. Anyone focused on detailed craftsmanship and comfortable handling should strongly consider the Xiaomi electric grinding pen. Number 3. ARROWMAX SGS Mini Grinder. The ARROWMAX SGS is one of the most modern and innovative tools in this comparison. While many rotary tools focus strictly on hardware specifications, this model combines portability with smart functionality, creating a surprisingly advanced user experience. The first thing that stands out is the size. It is compact enough to fit comfortably in a pocket, yet it still feels capable during real-world use. For hobbyists who regularly work on miniatures, models, custom crafts, or detailed engraving projects, the lightweight design makes long sessions far less tiring. Performance is well balanced. The adjustable speed range between 10,000 and 20,000 revolutions per minute provides enough flexibility for most precision applications. What makes the SGS unique, however, is its optional application connectivity. Through the companion application, users can fine-tune speed in smaller increments and even switch between forward and reverse rotation. That level of customization is rarely found in tools of this size. Battery life is another strong area. With up to 90 minutes of runtime on a charge, it outlasts several competitors in this ranking. The magnetic charging system is also convenient because it eliminates the frustration of dealing with awkward charging ports. The included 36-piece accessory set covers the essentials for engraving, polishing, sanding, and light grinding. While it is not the largest kit here, the selection feels thoughtfully chosen for creative work. Its biggest drawback is power. Heavy grinding and tougher materials can push it beyond its comfort zone. For creators who value precision, portability, and smart controls over raw power, the ARROWMAX SGS is an excellent choice and easily earns its place in the top 3. Taking the runner-up position is the Deli 5-speed rechargeable engraving pen grinder, a tool that impresses through sheer versatility. It manages to combine strong performance, a huge accessory package, and thoughtful usability features into a package that feels ready for almost any hobby project. The first thing most users will notice is the included accessory collection. With more than 100 pieces, the kit covers cutting, grinding, polishing, sanding, drilling, and engraving without requiring additional purchases. For someone building a workshop on a budget, that level of value is difficult to ignore. Performance is equally impressive. The motor reaches up to 28,000 revolutions per minute and offers 5 selectable speed settings. During testing, it handled everything from smoothing rough wood edges to polishing metal surfaces with confidence. The speed adjustments are easy to understand, making it simple to match the tool to different materials. One feature that deserves special praise is the built-in lighting system. The 4 integrated lights illuminate the work area surprisingly well, helping reveal fine details that might otherwise be missed. Combined with the pen-style grip, it creates a comfortable and controlled working experience. The transparent protective guard is another welcome addition. It helps reduce flying debris while maintaining a clear view of the project. Safety features like this are often overlooked but make a noticeable difference in daily use. Battery capacity is solid, though demanding jobs will eventually require recharging. It also lacks some of the advanced smart features found on premium competitors. Still, for users seeking the best balance of accessories, usability, performance, and value, the Deli 5-speed rechargeable engraving pen grinder is an outstanding buy. Claiming the top spot is the Dremel 3000, a tool that has earned its reputation through years of proven performance. While some competitors focus on portability and others prioritize features, the Dremel strikes the most complete balance between power, durability, versatility, and long-term reliability. The biggest advantage becomes clear as soon as the tool starts working. Its 120-watt motor provides noticeably stronger performance than most compact cordless alternatives. Whether cutting, grinding, carving, polishing, or sanding, the Dremel feels confident and consistent rather than strained. The adjustable speed range of up to 32,000 revolutions per minute offers tremendous flexibility. Lower speeds provide control for delicate detailing, while higher settings deliver the power needed for tougher materials. This wide operating range makes the tool suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Another reason the Dremel stands above the competition is its build quality. The ball-bearing construction helps maintain smooth operation while reducing wear over time. Replaceable carbon brushes further extend the tool's lifespan, making it a practical long-term investment rather than a disposable gadget. Accessory changes are fast thanks to the easy twist system, which saves time during multi-step projects. The anti-slip handle also contributes to comfort and precision, especially during extended use. Its corded design reduces portability compared to battery-powered competitors, and the included accessory count is not the largest in the lineup. Even so, the superior power delivery and proven reliability more than compensate. For serious hobbyists, makers, and professionals who want the most capable all-around rotary tool in this comparison, the Dremel 3000 is the clear winner. That wraps up our ranking of the best mini grinders and electric engraving pens available right now. Each model offers something different, from portable precision to workshop-level performance. Which one would you choose for your projects? Share your thoughts below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.